Jefferson Graham here with another one of our iPhone Photography 101 series. Today it's all about slow motion. Yeah, it's really simple. You just open up the iPhone camera, press record in slow-mo and let it rip, right? Pretty easy. Well, you also are given several choices on how to do it. You could do slow motion or you could do slow motion. That's 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second. Let's take a look top to top. See which one you prefer. Here we go. Run the tape. Don't forget, you actually have three choices in how to do it: 120 frames per second at HD, 240 frames per second, or another 240 at 720, which is a smaller file size but the same frame rate. I like 120 frames per second. I like slow motion, but I don't like slow motion. It's just a little too slow for me. I'm Jefferson Graham. Stay tuned. We have a lot of iPhone photography tips and travel tips here as well as part of the iPhone Photography 101 series. Stay tuned.